know I really hate children. You really are the most untidy creatures. Lord knows I've tried to help you. To instill discipline and respect for decorum, I've tried my very best to bring order. Yet at every turn been assailed by chaos. I mean, look what you've done to me! I cannot take it anymore! But I must. Authority must be upheld. And sometimes the ends do justify the means. Certainly, no one could blame me. And if it falls to me to sort out the mess, to tie up the loose ends, then so be it. For the greater good.